Should you buy the new Amazon 4K Fire TV stick? Yes you should. Why though? Well, bit of Yorkshireman, I really know what good value looks like. So you got a 4K TV, right? If you've answered no to that, then stop being silly, get yourself down to Argos and get one. Chances are, if you have got a 4K telly, then you've already got Amazon, Netflix, BBC and all them lot. Does your TV integrate with Alexa? No, it doesn't. Or if it does, well done our kid, you've won the lottery. And you shouldn't be messing about listening to some idiot Yorkshireman nattering on about cheapo technology. We've got the full 4K resolution on the new stick. We've also got Dolby Vision, HDR, HDR10 Plus and Dolby Atmos. I always remember sticking Dolby Noise Reduction on when I was copying my mate's 90s dance tunes on a cassette. It were right good. So it's good to see Amazon getting some of that Dolby goodness on there for us. My own Raggatip cassette has almost ran out, so it'll be great to have it on big telly. There's some right other stuff being added to it and all. You can control your telly's volume and power from the voice remote. Only one remote needed now. The remote's got a lovely little blue light on it as well. It's proper posh. It's finally got a quicker processor that's much quicker than the one in my watch. I'm not actually wearing it, am I? Never mind. It's got a much faster processor. It should be able to handle N64 emulation. Be top notch will that. You better play GoldenEye on N64 and have Sean Bean's voice with Dolby Atmos. The Wi-Fi is even better as well. It's got dual antennas to make sure your 4K streaming doesn't go on the blink. You've only got a measly 8 gig of storage, but if you follow some tutorials on here, you can add a ton of storage to these. It's definitely no Nvidia Shield, but it's right good for the price. I'll be picking one up when it's released on 14th of November, and I will do a full review. Then I'll rehouse it with a fan and put the Google Play Store on it and get the native YouTube app up and running. Get yourself on the bus. I'll see you there.